everyone is still talking about the impacts of COVID. One thing we've learned about this is that data and access to data and remote access to data is a key part of doing business in today's world. PeopleTech, in combination with Microsoft, is organizing a 2-day workshop on the data analytics platform. At this workshop, we will deliver a deep dive core elements into every business to begin their data journey transformation and their cloud journey. We'll talk about the key trends in the industry. We'll talk about your enterprise data strategy. We'll get you informed about a modern data platform using Microsoft Synapse. We'll discuss industry use cases about data silos, skill gaps, M&A, security, compliance, scalability, and all of those issues facing the challenges of your company today. We'll take our key learnings from these implementations and we'll work with you to deliver a benefit of a series of deliverables which will help you transform your data, whether you're on-premise or moving to the cloud. We'll give you a clear set of priorities and objectives. Understanding the outcome from the workshop will help you reach your goals for your data transformation journey. Again, we're offering this workshop at no cost to you, including paying your travel and expenses to attend the workshop. We hope to see you there. Please come register at peopletech.com.